Now that we have our design laid out, let's add some color. My first step is to pick my power color, which is a light blue. Light blue is vibrant, fun, structured, and tends to be actionable in browsers, as the default hyperlink color is blue. I tend to use tints and shades when designing a color palette for just about everything. To do this, I simply start off with the main color, and then add 3 objects below the original color, all with a white fill, in an overlay blending mode. Then, I alter the opacity with the top object at 20%, the second one at 40%, and then the last one at 60%. All 3 of these objects overlay the original color. As for the shade at the top, I do the same. Create an object which overlays the color with a fill color of black and change the settings to a 50% opacity with a blending mode of multiply. Essentially, this is a monochromatic scale. Then finally, I will flatten the transparency and merge the objects so I'm able to get the correct hex values. Now, my whole approach with adding color to this identity is to have the darker color to be the text. Then, in the voids of the O's and D, have bright colors to represent the lists you can create in the app. In the Task Manager app, you will be able to create lists and then add tasks to those lists. Since we're able to add colors to lists, I then want to represent that in the identity. Also, the app is an actionable app, meaning to use it you have to complete things. I would like to use colors that represent action, like reds and oranges. So the next step is to get our 3 void colors and create a scale like I did with the blue. I'm also going to add a dark value as well. I might need to use it for the text to make it pop or contrast more. The blue I have might not be enough. Again, get the hex values. Finally, I add my colors to the logo and show it in comparison to the one color version. There we have it, our finalized ODOT logo, using the logo sprint process.